I've been using this wig for 1 whole year. As you can see, it wasn't initially like this. It used to be this, okay? And today I want to restyle it. I just want to restyle it. So I'm going to make it into a bang, like a bang bang. So I'm going to restyle it. So do stay tuned. So this is how it's looking on the mannequin. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut the bands, okay? I'm going to close it by using my hot comb so that I close the closure. So now you can see everything has come together. At least it's not entirely showing as it was from the beginning. So I'm going to look at where I'll cut the bang. So after cutting, this is how it's looking. I think this is pretty good. So I'll just go ahead and style it with my straightener. I love how bouncy it is. It is already body wave, so I'm not going to do anything to the body wave. I'm not going to trim the ends. It used to have like roughy ends. I've trimmed it before when I was restyling the other time, if you've watched that video. So I'm not going to trim the ends again. So all I'm going to do is to just use my curler or my straightener to kind of do the front well and shape it well. So yeah. I'm going to wear it and you'll see the result. So this is how it's looking. But honestly, I wasn't expecting this part to be as flat as it's looking now. So I'm going to just adjust it because I don't like how it is looking flat on my forehead. I usually don't like using these tools straight on my head, but I'm going to try. Ow. Like this. Okay, this looks much better than how flat it was looking. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. So yeah, tell me what you think, guys. I am not a stylist, so I guess I'm pardoned and I'm excused, right? I love it. 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 Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.